Assalamualaikum. My name is Ishmael Mariam. I study in the Renur Public School and I am the student of class 7th A. Today my presentation of topic is structure of an atom. In 5th century BC, Greek philosopher Democritus was the first person who gave the idea about atoms. He believed something was present in matter that could not be subdivided further. He called these undividable pieces atoms. Ernest Rutherford. He discovered the nucleus inside atom. He proposed a complete model of an atom. His model got accepted. So now we define structure of an atom. Structure of an atom. Atom has two regions, the nucleus and the outer region. The nucleus is present in the center of an atom. The region around the nucleus is called outer region. Different kinds of particles are present in atom. These are called subatomic particles. Now we study them. Electron. Electron are present in outermost region. Negative charge. They have negative charge particles. The electron are arranged in shells. The scientists have given them these shells K, L, M, N, and so on. The maximum number of electron in each shell we calculated 2n square, where n is the number of shell. If we know how many electrons are present in first shell, so we put 1 in the place of n, where n is the number of shell. Proton, they have positive charge on it. With the discovery of proton, it was found that its mass is 1800 times greater than an electron. They are present inside of nucleus. Now we present neutron. They are present. The other particles are present in a nucleus. They are neutron. They have no charge. They are neutral. Their mass is equal to that of proton. Now neutron, small size with negative charge. Proton, large size with positive charge. Neutron, large size with no charge. Thank you.